Hello everyone, today we're unboxing a powerful wireless video transmission device, the Remote Drone Video Transmitter, VTX, and Receiver, VRX. Whether it's for FPV flying, model aircraft, drones, or CCTV security projects, this device provides you with clear and stable image transmission. Let's take a look at its features and advantages. This device is equipped with a 5-watt high-power amplifier, ensuring long-distance transmission. It uses FM modulation, which is highly resistant to interference. The image quality remains clear and stable, whether in color or black and white. The transmission range is up to 10 to 15 kilometers in open areas and up to 100 kilometers in line-of-sight conditions, meeting the needs of various environments. The transmitter is beautifully designed with special metal materials and features a high-speed fan for heat dissipation, making it suitable for long hours of operation. Its compact size and lightweight make it easy to carry and install, perfect for portable use. Whether you're using it with drones or other devices, it connects and installs quickly. The receiver has a sensitivity of BiHint 85 dBming, ensuring stable and reliable image reception. It supports a wide range of frequencies from 300 MHz to 900 MHz, ensuring stable transmission in diverse environments. Overall, the remote video transmitter and receiver excel in both performance and design. Their compact size, long-distance transmission, and strong anti-interference capabilities make them ideal for a variety of scenarios. If you're looking for a high-performance video transmission device, this one is definitely worth considering.